The number one benefit of virtual front desk is that it just works. I don't have to worry about the hardware or software. My virtual assistants show up on screen really clearly and cleanly so that people can feel like they're connecting with a human being, even though they're virtual. My name is Will Humphreys. I'm the CEO of Virtual Rockstar in Phoenix, Arizona. The challenges and pain points I faced with my virtual assistants was understanding how I could leverage these amazing people overseas to feel like they're right in front of patients with my clients. My clients are physical therapy practice owners. So for them to work with someone overseas, we didn't want to lose the interpersonal connection that was often felt with people in person. And so this is a pain point for us to be able to create this wonderful connection between virtual assistants and PT practice owners, but there was no medium for us to be able to create that connection. We tried multiple companies that provide hardware and software to connect virtual assistants to front desks. And what we found was that many of them weren't suited for overseas. The bandwidth wasn't big enough, so the reception was choppy, or the customer service wasn't good, or it was super expensive. And so some of our clients were using no front desk. They were just forwarding their phones overseas, and we were losing that connection. So before we met virtual front desk, we found ourselves unable to really create that connection at an affordable level for our clients. I didn't have much of a hesitation using a system like virtual front desk because I had seen it in other practices, and I know where the future of healthcare is going. We're all going to go to these virtual kiosks. It's kind of like self-checkout center at grocery stores. People are going to get used to it, and then all of a sudden everyone's going to start doing it. But what I was hesitant on was just to see if it was going to work as well as I'd hoped it would. So we have had zero complaints from any of our clients who use virtual front desk. And it came to our attention through a client that found virtual front desk. So we were looking for a solution. One of our clients found virtual front desk on their own, recommended them to us, and they've been our go-to source ever since without a single problem. And we love working with them. Yeah, the customer support at Virtual Front Desk is phenomenal. That's a very big thing for me in anything that I work with, and they are bar none one of the best companies I've worked with in terms of connectivity, speed, and personalization of the communication. Virtual Front Desk has had a dramatic impact on our operations because it allows us to seamlessly and quickly set up our clients with a solution that is workable and easy to use. It has made everything easier for us in terms of selling clients with virtual assistants all the way down to implementing them so that it makes us look good. I highly recommend Virtual Front Desk. They are the best solution on the market for any and all things virtual front desks.